Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover background and border properties in CSS. In this page I will add internal CSS and I will select body tag. First property that I will add is background color. I already used that property in previous videos and I will set red color. Now whole page has background color of red. Then I will use background image. And then I need URL, so I will go in folder images and select C image. And you can see that this image covers all viewport and it also repeats. It repeats both vertically and horizontally. To see that, I will add width of 300 viewport width and height of 300 viewport height. And now you can see that this image repeats both horizontally and vertically. There is a property to control that, and that property is background repeat. By default, its value is repeat, so it repeats both vertically and horizontally. If value is repeat x, it will only repeat horizontally. You can see that it doesn't repeat vertically. And if you use repeat y, it will only repeat vertically. And if value is no repeat, it won't repeat at all. When background image doesn't repeat, you can use background position property to set its position. So I will here write bottom center. And now this image is at bottom and it is centered. Top right and image is at top and right. And I can scroll this image, but there is property to change that. That property is background attachment and you need to have value fixed. Now this image is fixed. I can scroll this, but it is always on right and top. So those are background properties. I will move this here. There's also background shorthand property where you can write all these background properties in shorter way. So I will comment this. That property is background. And here I will just add all these values. So background color is red, image is URL images C, no repeat, top right, and background attachment fixed. And the result is same, but code is much shorter. In previous video I used RGBA where A is used for opacity, but that opacity only refers to background color. So I will add one div element. I will write hello world. Here I will select that div and I will add background color of RGBA 00255 and opacity 0.3. And you can see that only background color is transparent. But there's also opacity property, so I will remove A, it is only RGB, and I will have opacity property 0.3. And now it is applied on whole element, text also. It is not just about background color. Now I will move on borders. I will comment this body tag. So I'll first uncomment this and comment this. And I will remove those properties. I will set width of 300 pixels and height of 200 pixels. And first border property is border style. You can see all those border styles. I will use solid. Then there's property border width. I will set it to 5 pixels. Now this border have thickness of 5 pixels. Border has 4 sides and you can have different border width on those sides. So I will add 10 pixels, 15 pixels and 20 pixels. And you can see that all border sides has different width. First value is for top side, then right, bottom and left. You can also do that with border style. So I'll add solid, groove, dash, dot. And let's see that. So all sides have different border style. I can also add only 2 values. In this case, first value is for top and bottom and second is for left and right. So top and bottom border sides will have solid border and 5 pixels width and the right and left groove and 10 pixels. So this is that. I will go back with one value and another border property is border color. I will set it to red and now border is red. There's also shorthand property for border, so I will only write border. I will delete this. So it is 5 pixels solid red. Result is same. You can also round border with border radius property. I will set to 10 pixels. Now this border is rounded. You can also have different border radius on different sides. So 10 is for top and bottom and 15 is for left and right. And you can see difference. You can set border properties for only one side. So I can set border top style. And I can also use shorthand property for only one side, so I will apply all these properties for border left. And you can see here that I only have left side of border. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe and see you next time.